Yo, what's popping guys? Welcome back to my vlog again. My name is Christopher Corinthian. It's been a long time. I've been busy with my music, and right now I'm outside because I bought these pandan leaves. I don't know whether you know what is pandan leaves. It's basically a plant from pandan. Okay, now I'm outside. This is the market right here, the wet market, and I just finished buying the things. So I'm going to maybe drive you around, alright, in the city, see what I got, you know what I'm saying, alright. And look at this place guys. I'm outside right now, literally during this lockdown period. It's like there's a bunch of cars parking at the parking lot, but literally it's not as much as usual, right? If you see, it's like literally you can see a lot of cars right there. I know it, you know what I'm saying, bro? And there is a Starbucks. Yeah, I'm gonna drive you around, you know, just chill around. But literally I'm going to text my brother. I'm going to meet my brother because he's outside also. And yeah, I can't wait to show you when I'm driving. But how do I put... Okay, I hope this works guys. Literally oh, wait. How do I don't know guys, I need to use one hand to drive. But anyhow, anyway, I'm gonna just call, no, I'm going to text my brother, alright. I'm gonna just call him by using WhatsApp, you know. Wait for it. Today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Love all the mothers out there. Thanks for nurturing your children. Like my mom, you know, she nurtured me so well, and literally she's the best, not he. Alright, I'm gonna keep this video raw. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna call. Oh, I'm gonna keep it raw guys. I'm not going to cut it or whatever because this is a lot. Hello Angel, where are you now? Which 99? Malim. Where should I go? Where should I go? I mean, go to a bakery? Where should I go? Alright, I'm gonna see you there at Malacca Raya, right? Alright, cool. Alright, see you. Bye. Love you. Okay, you too, be careful. Bye. Okay, so my siblings are at Italy Bakery, which is a bakery. Hey, no, not bakery. I mean, they are at one shop. And I'm gonna meet them at one bakery because I'm gonna buy a cake for my mom. Okay. So yeah, just chill. Okay. I'm gonna do this, you know, literally driving. Oh my gosh, vlog while driving. What? This is dangerous, guys. Please don't try this at home or outside. Oh my god, how do I do this? Because luckily my car is in auto transmission, or else it's gonna be hard for me to drive like this while vlogging. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go inside. I cannot even turn right now. It's too dangerous, guys. I'm gonna go through that way, front way. If you can see, we are right here right now. Guys, it's very dangerous, literally. I cannot play the radio because there will be copyright if there are songs. Yeah, so I'm just gonna like just talk to you, talk to the camera. You know, as a YouTuber, you need to talk to the camera. You know what I'm saying? Thanks a lot for 3K subscribers. We are on the way to 4K. And please comment down below what video you want to see next. Reaction video and Corinthian videos, right? Am I looking good with this outfit? This outfit with the Japanese word. Actually, it's a Chinese word, but actually it's in Japan. You know, like this shirt is meant to be in Japan. Okay, these words are meant to be Japanese words, right? Because Japanese words include some Chinese words also, right? But the pronunciation is totally different. Alright, so how are you guys doing? I mean, what do you guys do during quarantine? Huh? Look at this. Actually, I'm in this factory site. If you are from my place, which is Malacca, you know this place. This is Malim Jaya. You'll see a lot of factories right here, you know. Then there's a traffic light in front where I need to turn left. Oh, it's in green now. Guys, can I go through this traffic light? Guess it. Oh, I'm guessing it right. Alright, cool. We are all cool right here. We are all good, we are good to go. Now I'm heading to the meeting point with my siblings, right? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. If you are a mother watching this video, Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Mother is so great, you know. Actually, I hope I can put some instrumental songs in the background, but yeah, because I'm gonna keep it raw, and I don't know whether I can edit this video in YouTube. I mean, like, I just insert any song, you know. It's gonna be cool, right? I'm gonna drive you around, see the city of Malacca. You know, if you are not from my place, this is the very cool place for you to hang around, because, like, you know, the capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, right? And literally, Kuala Lumpur is so messy. It's so there's a lot of jams, you know. So literally, I prefer Malacca. Of course, Malacca. But I also prefer Sabah also, which is my hometown. That was where I was born. And yeah, I'm from there. If you are from Sabah, Sarawak, yeah. No, if you are from Sabah, I'm with you. We are the same, you know, residents, and yeah. So, okay, the car is so fast, guys. I need to look at the things. Okay. Oh, it's gone. It's raining, guys. What? It's raining. Just mild. Not really that heavy. Guys, how's this driving vlog? This is the first time that I did this. Okay, I hope you guys like this vlog so much, and it's in red light right now. So I'm gonna stop the car and let you see what is going on. Alright, so this is a traffic light. It's a big traffic light, huge traffic light right here. A lot of cars, guys. It's not even like lockdown period. OMG. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, peace.